Welcome, wealth builders and future game changers. Money isn't just about numbers, it's about freedom, security, and the power to live life on your terms. But the financial world? It's full of uncertainty, market crashes, economic downturns, and fear-driven decisions. In Unshakeable, Tony Robbins reveals how to become financially unshakable, no matter what happens in the economy. Let's dive into the key lessons. The unshakable mindset. Most people think financial success is about luck, timing the market, or chasing the latest trends. But Robbins says, wealth is built on mindset first. Fear and panic make people lose money, patience and strategy create lasting success. You don't need to predict the market. You need to prepare for it. A truly unshakable investor stays calm, no matter what's happening around them. The power of compound growth. Most people overestimate what they can do in a year, but underestimate what they can do in a decade. The secret to wealth. Let your money grow over time. Small, consistent investments turn into massive gains through the power of compounding. The earlier you start, the greater the rewards. Success isn't about quick wins, it's about smart, steady action. Don't try to time the market, trying to predict market highs and lows. That's a losing game. Even the smartest investors can't do it. Instead, Robbins suggests, focus on long-term investing. The market goes up and down, but historically, it always rises over time. If you stay invested, you win. Diversification, your safety net. Putting all your money in one stock, one industry, or one investment type. That's dangerous. Wealthy investors spread their risk across different assets, different industries, different markets. This way, if one part drops, you still stay strong. Fees, the silent wealth killer. Most people lose thousands without even realizing it. How? Hidden fees. Investment firms, mutual funds, and advisors charge fees that eat away at your profits. Robbins warns, even a 1% difference in fees can cost you hundreds of thousands over time. His advice: choose low-cost index funds that grow your money without taking a huge cut. Winter is coming, and that's good. Market crashes aren't disasters, they're opportunities. When the market drops, most people panic and sell. The smart ones buy more. Why? Because every crash is followed by a recovery, and those who invest during the tough times make the biggest gains when things turn around. Be greedy when others are fearful. The ultimate financial freedom plan. Becoming unshakable isn't just about surviving market crashes, it's about creating a life of financial freedom. Robbins lays out a step-by-step plan. 1. Save consistently, even if it's small amounts. 2. Invest automatically, so you never forget. 3. Minimize fees, so you keep more of your money. 4. Diversify wisely, so you stay protected. 5. Stay calm in crises, so you don't make emotional mistakes. Follow this, and you won't just survive, you'll thrive. Final thoughts. Most people live their lives stressed about money, chasing get-rich-quick schemes, or fearing the next financial crisis. But Unshakable teaches you to build real wealth, not through luck, not through predictions, but through smart, consistent action. The market will rise, the market will fall, but if you follow these principles, you will win. Like, share and subscribe. If this summary gave you clarity and confidence, hit the like button. Share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe to Zach's Bookish World.